So when I want him to go around one cone, I'm just drawing my path, picking up, drawing my path, picking up. When I want him to stay out, my arm stays out. When I want to push him back up, I step and push. So come around, step and push. Right, so eyes, fingers, toes, step and push. Step and push. Oh, found a little cross that says hope. Okay? All right, Rob. And then you can start adding more distance that you're farther away. Okay. Switch. Here, switch. So stay out, come in, switch. Stay out, get out. Push out. Yes. Switch them around. Switch them around. Pull them in. Switch. Pull them in. Switch. Good boy. Okay, go. Around. Round. Round. Yes. Get it. Okay, switch. Come. Yes. All right, you can move yourself farther away now, so I'm farther away. Okay, switch. Hold. So if I want to, come here, bro. Switch and stay around the cones, I'm going to keep my arm out. If I want him to come between the cones, I'm going to drop my arm. So as he goes around, I'm going to drop, switch, drop when I want him to come in. Okay? Oh, we might have to go in. It's going to start raining harder. Drop. If I want him to stay out, my arm's going to stay out. Yes. Drop. Okay, switch. Stay out. Push out. Push out. Yes. So if I want him to go back out again, I'm going to step out. Step towards him with a big step. Stay out. Stay out. Come in. Switch. Come in. Switch. Come in. Resume. Resume. Switch. Yes. Good boy. All right. Okay. Switch. Yes. Good boy. Good. Okay. All right. So if you're having a hard time getting your dog to switch, you can put your bucket out. All right. So that, okay. Switch. So that they have to just drive to the bucket. I don't care about going around. Okay. Come on, Zooms. So he switches good that way, but come on, Zoom. Switch. Go. Good. Good boy. Anyway, okay. Switch. Pause. Come here. Ready? Switch. Pause. Yes. Good. Okay. Okay, come on, Zoom. Switch. Come on, Zooms. Okay, switch. Zoom, come on. Okay. Switch. Okay. Zoom, come on. Switch. Yes. Good. So bring them in. Switch. Go. Yes. Good. Okay. Come on, Zoom. Switch. Go. Come on. Let's go, Zooms. Switch. Go. Good boy. Good. Okay. Okay, switch. Come on, Zoom, let's go. Come on. Switch. Come on, Zoom. Switch. Yay! Good boy. Okay, go. So around. Go around. Keep moving. Around. All right, so I stopped. She stopped. Okay, so keep moving. Around. Draw your path around. Draw your path around. You stop, they stop. Okay? All right. So if I want to switch, okay, switch, bring her in, I switched too early there. Switch. Bring her in. Okay, come on. Bring her in. So if they go around like that, which they will, then you just switch. Bring your arm in here and reward them. I got a big piece of chicken here. Okay. So like, bring her in here because she went wide there. Okay, she went wide. So get closer, reward. Okay. So switch around. Good. So that she's coming around and coming tight and following my body better there. Okay, switch. Bring her in. Okay. Bring her in. Switch. Oop, too early. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Come here. Switch. In. Switch. Bring her in. Switch. Bring her in. Come on, Emma, let's go. Go. Yay, good girl. Good girl. Okay, if I want to keep her out, okay, switch. I'm going to keep driving, keep my arm out. Let's go. Bring her in. Oh, yeah, good girl. She thought about pushing out, but she didn't. Come here. Okay. Switch. Go. Yes, good girl. Come. Go, switch. Go. Yes, good girl. Okay, switch. Go. Switch. Go. Yes, good girl. Okay, so if I want to bring her and push her back out, okay, ready? Switch. Go. Okay, and then I can step. Go, go. Step. Yes, good girl. Okay, ready? Okay. Switch. Go. Go. Step. Go. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, ready? Go. Round. 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 Oop, come here. Yes. Good boy. Okay, get it. Thank you. Drop. Drop. Okay, go. Round. 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 Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Drop. Good. Okay. Come here. Switch. Come here. Switch. Go. Switch. Come. Come. Yes. Good boy. Drop. Switch. Come here. Switch. Go. Switch. Go. There. Okay. Switch. Good. All right. Switch. Good. Okay. Switch. All right. So try to turn your body. Okay. Switch. Good. Okay. Switch. Good. Okay. Switch. Good. Okay. Switch. So he's still really pretty wide over here, so I'm going to lure him around more. And I'll drop treats. Come here. Switch. Yes. Good. Okay. So, yes. Yes. Good boy. Okay. Switch. Come in. Switch. Good boy. Come here. Switch. Come. Switch. Come. Switch. Come. Yes. Good boy. All right.